Hi, my name is Bob Lindy. I'm an acupuncture physician and registered herbalist. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to use herbal teas to prevent colic in babies. And actually, herbs are frequently used with babies for great success. And of course, a colicky baby is a pretty common occurrence for many people. One of the classic herbs that's used with babies is actually chamomile. It can be very effective in helping to calm the baby down, aid with digestion, and make for a somewhat more restful night's sleep for those babies who are just getting used to the world. So what's important to do is start with a good quality chamomile. It should actually have a nice herby, almost fruity smell to it. And what you can do is start with about a teaspoon of chamomile, add that into your French press, and about 2 cups of water. Let that steep for about 10 minutes. This is going to be bitter to the adult taste, but for a baby, they actually are able to enjoy even a stronger flavor. Once they get used to it, they don't seem to have any problems because their taste buds haven't adjusted yet to the idea of sweet flavors that we so often give to our kids. So of course, administration can be unique. So what we want to do is use an eyedropper and do 1 to 2 eyedroppers, and the easiest way is either to place it directly into the mouth of the baby, or it can be run down the breast while the baby is breastfeeding. So we can start with a small amount, make sure that the baby has no problems with the chamomile or allergic reactions. Start with that small amount and the baby will get used to it and actually start to enjoy it. It can be given before or after breastfeeding in order to help with the digestion and make for a restful night or moment's sleep after feeding. This is Bob Lindy talking about herbal remedies to help with a colicky baby. Please enjoy your herbs.